What's good, YouTube? If you're watching this video, you successfully made it to layer 7 of the OSI model, where we give you nothing but that application you can apply directly to your life. I'm your host, Dewan. So every Wednesday, I do a recap of my CompTIA Linux Plus journey. Before we begin, I gotta let you know this video has been sponsored to you by the good folks over at CompTIA. I'm on a journey to achieve my Linux Plus XK0-004 certification. Every Wednesday, I do a giveaway. This week, we're doing a giveaway for the CompTIA Cert Master Practice for Linux Plus. I'm giving away one license to one lucky winner. All you have to do is watch this video for details. And also, I also give away one Raspberry Pi. And this is the Raspberry Pi 4, which is 1 gig. This thing is a beast and they hot. Kind of hard to find. All right. So this is like my third week on my journey for Linux Plus. It's been a great journey so far. I've been really focused on using Linux every day, even in my job. I have Linux nodes and containers that I can log into and use and SSH from into network devices. So I make it a habit to use those devices, log into those devices, view files in those devices, create files in those devices, SSH into nodes, and do everything that I can daily in Linux to improve my skill set. I challenge you to do the same. If you have Linux in your environments, take the challenge. Don't hesitate. Don't shy away from it. Adapt to it, and it's going to make you a better systems engineer, network engineer, desktop support technician. No matter where you are, if Linux is in your environment, if you utilize it daily, it's only going to improve your skill set. Lab every day. That's what it's all about. Working and applying the knowledge that you're reading in the books and we're watching in these videos. That's what we have to do, and that's the only way we're going to improve. Now, to enter into this week's contest, as you know, I do a giveaway every week, and I announce the winner live on my YouTube channel every Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This week, what you have to do is like this video right now, like this video, and if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section below, give me one way that you utilize Linux in your day-to-day life, whether it be at work, whether it be personal, whether it be for studying. Let me know what you're learning or how you're applying, how you're using Linux. Let me know something about how Linux is being used in your day-to-day life. Again, if you want to be entered into the CompTIA Cert Master Practice Contest, in the description of this video, give me one way that you utilize Linux, along with the CompTIA Linux Plus hashtag. And then on Sunday, tune in live at 7 p.m. Central. I will also, along with announcing the winner, I'll be giving away one Raspberry Pi. I look forward to seeing you all there. Like this video, share it out, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.